I'm very excited. Of course, I'm nervous kasi ito po yung first lead na project. Pero in terms of the work itself, when I first heard about it, I already knew that accepting it, I'm going to give my 100%. Wala po akong expectation kung what the result's gonna be. But as long as I can promise myself that I give my 100%, then I'll be super, super happy with that.
Yeah. Grateful and blessed na makasama sa project after po nung ginawa namin na Chasing in the Wild na follow-up po ng Bad Genius, and when I saw the series, it's such a good series and the movie. So I'm just really excited to shoot this, and ibang-iba po kasi ito sa character ko nung last na ginawa ko. So I'm really excited to showcase what we have.
Siyempre naman po, like, I'm super excited. In terms of pressure, I mean, we all know that this is such an internationally well-loved film and series. And so just knowing that, we all feel super grateful that we were trusted with the responsibility for these roles. And we're just excited to show everyone the whole story and our characters from a new perspective, a Filipino perspective. So, yeah.
Jairus?
Siyempre sobrang excited since it's a different story na madalas natin napapanood sa TV or sa series. And very much excited kasi it's a different material for me. Kaya masaya. And working with Tash, with Haigap pa rin, exciting kasi we'll see kung ano yung may bibigay namin na best namin para sa series na to.